Why journaling helps fitness accountability.
Keeping a fitness journal gives you clear evidence of your efforts and progress. When you log your workouts, meals, and thoughts, you create a personal record that reveals patterns and achievements. This self-reflection can motivate you to stay on track, celebrate small victories, and face setbacks with a positive mindset. Journaling transforms abstract goals into concrete, trackable steps.
Getting started with a simple fitness journal.
Starting a fitness journal is easy. No fancy tools required. Grab a notebook or use a digital notes app. Begin by jotting down your goals, workout plans, and nutrition intentions. Focus on keeping entries short and specific. Over time, your journal becomes a reliable companion, guiding you as you build healthy habits and marking your journey toward improved fitness.
What to include in your fitness journal.
Effective journals focus on information that matters most. Record the date, type, and duration of each workout. Note how you felt during and after exercise. Track meals or healthy choices if nutrition is part of your goals. Include reflections on what worked, what was challenging, and what you'd like to improve. These details create a more complete picture of your progress.
Reviewing your journal for accountability.
Regularly revisiting your fitness journal holds you accountable and encourages progress. Set aside time each week to look back on your entries. Celebrate achievements, learn from setbacks, and spot any trends affecting your motivation. Reviewing helps you adjust your goals, stay honest with yourself, and remain committed, even when enthusiasm dips.
Tips for making journaling a lasting habit.
The consistency is key when using journaling to support your fitness journey. Try setting a reminder to write after each workout, or choose a set time every day. Keep your journal easily accessible, and make the process enjoyable with personal touches like motivational quotes. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Every entry brings you closer to lasting fitness success.